How's it going, ladies and gents? So today is July 4th, 2016. I've got my horse and I've got my musket. We're gonna go for a ride. Oh no, there's a cop already, and another cop. So a few of you might be wondering why I'm doing this. One, because it's my right. Two is just to cause a little bit of a discussion. Firearms have been a huge topic lately in the political climate. Three, because America. Four, because of America. And five, because America. That's why. I also just want to add a little disclaimer to this. This is entirely legal, what I am doing. It is perfectly legal for me to open carry a firearm, pistol or long gun. Additionally, because I am on a motorcycle, or if I was in my car, this is considered an extension of my home. In this state, we have extended domain laws. It is 100% legal. I have never been convicted nor charged with any kind of felonies. The firearm is legally purchased, legally owned. I am absolutely 100% permitted to do this. Is that bitch in the shopping cart? What the fuck? What do you guys say we take a ride down the old historic Route 66? I can just feel the eyes on me, dude. She's trying to film me, I know it. I know it. What's up? Huh? Oh yeah! Yeah! He was asking if my AR was real. Fuck yeah! Slug bug, double slug bug, slug bug, slug bug, slug bug. Uh-oh, Prius owner. Oh, I'm getting cops called for sure now. I wonder how many people think it's like an airsoft gun or something like that. She was staring at me. So that's one big thing, is that even though this is pretty much a democratically controlled state, man, this place is very pro-gun. I mean, you got open carry, concealed carry. You have some forms of domain laws. You can buy a handgun at age 19 privately. You're allowed to do private transactions without background checks. You know, there's no kind of magazine capacity limits. You can own NFA items like suppressors and FBRs, full auto even if you can afford it. So the state's pretty pro-gun. I've met a lot of really cool people who are gun owners doing deals with them and stuff like that. So I don't expect too much of a negative experience today. Maybe you get stopped by the cops, but like I said, I'm not doing anything wrong, so they can pull me over if they want to. They can give me a hard time if they want to. I don't even think that they will, though. Here's motherfucking America. Yeah, buddy. You know how when you pull up to the light and people try to just keep looking forward, like some people are like really just looking forward, not looking over at all. It's hilarious. Some people don't even seem to really bat an eye at it, like just zero reaction. They just kind of glance at me and just look back. Thank you, man. Yeah, he had a American flag on this car and the "Don't Tread on Me," the Gadsden flag. Some people I feel like are just purposely trying to stay behind me. Oh, lady, going a bit farther with your head all up in the mirror. Damn. Pay attention, dumbass. Taking shit out of your teeth. Looking at me, then as soon as I look over, just looks away. I hear a helicopter. Yeah, for sure hear a helicopter. Okay, there he goes. Fucking paranoid. I'm thinking the helicopters are following me around and shit now. Oh my god. That fucking lady shitting bricks right next to me. She nods her head. Yeah, buddy. I don't care. It seems to really be putting smiles on people's faces.
Sick ass they are, man.
Thank you, man. Fuck yeah, man, America.
Hey, better watch out, dude. Guns kill people.
Oh, this one hasn't hurt anybody yet. I don't want to worry about it too much.
Hey, hell yeah, brother.
You guys have a good 4th. Yes. It's safe. It won't bite you. Have a good day. She seemed disappointed that it was a real gun. Oh, she seemed very nervous about that. Like them. That girl in there was staring at me fucking hard. Why? Because of America, that's why. Got the nod. That's an approval right there. Oh, fuck. Oh, you dumbass. Oh, you dumbass. So, I'm almost home now. I think that's going to conclude the video. Nothing really happened overall. It was a great day. Put a lot of smiles on people's faces. I think I also made a lot of people kind of shit bricks a little bit, though. But otherwise, it was a very good experience. No cops showed up. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.